Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off pop-up notifications on your PlayStation 4. So if you hold down the PlayStation button, you can see notifications on here, but this isn't going to turn them off. So what we want to do is just go back to the home screen, go to settings, and then going down to notifications right here. And then we have disable pop-ups while playing videos, so we can do that. Or we can go to pop-up notifications on the top and we can uncheck mark this, and this will disable all of them. Otherwise, you can just go through this and decide which ones you want on. So sometimes I'll leave on messages, but I don't need to see when friends go online. I don't need to see trophies, etc. So you might want to go ahead and just turn off some of these and leave the other ones on, or just disable everything on the top. So very easy to do. Just look at all the different options you have. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.